If anybody, I don't know if you'll be able to see this or not, but this is hard. It's very brittle. You can hear that. It's cracked virtually all the way through. But anyway, a little vacuum leak here with this. So I ordered a new oil filler cap. According to just reading through the factory service manual, this is a closed positive crankcase ventilation system. Any leaks are going to cause a rough idle, stalling, high idle speed. It says a couple of times in here, check the oil filler cap, so that's what I did, and that's what I found. And that's probably something worth checking out.